Hello friends, welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss how we can add subtitles in the YouTube video. So let's start. Upload the video. Make the video unlisted. Then click on the Subtitle tab. Click on the arrow. Select your language from here. Then click on the Confirm button. And click the Add button. If you already have a file, then click on the Upload a File button. To add subtitles manually, click on the Transcribe and Auto Sync button. Firstly, you need to make a whole script for your video that he speak in the video. Then paste the script here. Then click on Set Timing button. Wait some time. Then click here. It is setting up. So it is complete. Click on the script to set up the timing of the subtitle. Finally, click on the Save Changing button. Check it is working. So subtitle and closed caption help in the ranking of the video on YouTube. So I hope you learn from this video. Don't forget to like and comment on the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.